Let's create a bingo gust in Aloftly. From your dashboard, click Bingo Gust under Quick Start. First, choose your format. Aloftly offers two modes, Classic Bingo and Event Bingo. Classic Bingo is traditional number bingo. Aloftly generates the number cards automatically, so there is nothing to build. Event Bingo is topic-based. Instead of numbers, you play with custom prompts. This is great for workshops, training, and conferences. In event mode, you can run passive play, where participants mark items as they spot them, or host-called play, where you guide the prompts live. For this tutorial, we'll start with Classic Bingo. Click Classic. Enter the session title. This will be displayed to your players. Next, click Start Bingo. To display details for players to join, click Open Projector View and share screens, or display on your projector. As players join, you can monitor the roster from the host screen. After your players have joined, click Launch Bingo. When you begin, each player receives a bingo card that is auto-filled with numbers. As numbers are called, players mark matching squares on their card. The host control panel shows the current number called, and the projection view shows all numbers that have been called. When a player completes a line, they click Bingo. You'll receive a notification and can verify the card before confirming the win. Once confirmed, the host, presentation, and player screens display a bingo celebration. You can end the session at any time. Once ended, the results display on all screens. If you want to run a themed session instead, switch to Event Bingo. You can build custom prompt cards manually, use templates, or generate prompts with AI by clicking the sparkle icon. Bingo Gust makes it easy to run engaging, real-time games for teams and live audiences. For more assistance and a full overview, please visit help.aloftly.io.